Vivo has announced its new mid-range smartphone under S series in China called Vivo S15E with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo S15E features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 90Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR10+. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 1080 chipset paired with Mali G78 MP10 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo S15e supports a triple camera setup under the circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 108° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second with electronic image stabilization support for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4700 mAh battery that supports 66W flash charging. And on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box with Origin OS Ocean Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with VC liquid cooling system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also includes multi-turbo 6.0 feature for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.7 by 73.6 by 8.49mm and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo S15e has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2299 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in black, ice blue and rose gold color options. And it is set to go on sale starting from April 30th. So what do you guys think of this Vivo S15e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to techsole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.